Okay, good morning, guys. And in that opportunity, we're going to have a lesson about morphemes. But first of all, we need to know what morpheme is. What is morpheme? Morpheme can be defined as the smallest meaningful morphological unit of a language. In other words, morpheme can be described as the minimal units of meaning. We got one word, and we can notice that it could have some elements that can make a single word. And something what is important and you need to know about that is that in linguistics, morphemes are indicated by brace marks. So we can see here. And morphemes are divided in free and bound. Free is divided in lexical and functional. In lexical, we got teach and elephant. As you can see, those are words that can extend by themselves, like teach, an elephant, what is a noun and verb. And in functional, we got prepositions. Conjunctions, not preposition, conjunctions, and one article. That. So those are words that also can stand together as a single word. They don't need another element. Contrary with bound, that is divided in derivational and inflectional. As we can see, the examples are like prefix and suffix, like re and an, like and ness. Could be in here lonely. One example in here, loneliness, and unhappy. And we got bound with inflectional, possessives, nouns. We are talking about plurals, ing form, like it could be in a gerund, or ed, what is we're talking about in the past. As we can see in these examples, free lexical, words like cat, table, functional, we got preposition to, that, and she. So in functional, you can use, one preposition can consider as a morpheme free, that is divided in functional. So it's a really good example. Like a bound, we got derivational and inflectional, as we watched. Sorry. You got unhappiness. Notice that you can see those elements, suffix and prefix, and inflectional working, we can identify ing for. So in conclusion, guys, if we got a word, we can notice that sometimes that word can have some elements. And some elements are for the single word morphemes. So one word can be made by some morphemes. At this example that we got prefix and suffix, and in here we got the word. So this is called the stem. As we can see, when see the middle from a word, this is called a stem. So that's all, and I hope that you can enjoy this. And okay.